Good morning, students. In the previous class, we learned what is Heron's formula and how to apply it to find the area of the triangle. We have solved some of the examples. I hope you understood the way to calculate the area of a triangle using it. Now today we will do the exercise 12.1. In the exercise 12.1a, find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So in the question, what is given? The very first line, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. So this is the traffic signal board indicating school ahead, and this is an equilateral triangle with side A. So as we know that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, so AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to A. Now in the question it is asked, find the area of the signal board. So what is our first question? Find the area of the signal board. कब निकालना है? जब उसकी साइड A दी हुई है, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है, so we have to calculate it. ठीक है? So our first question is to find the area of the equilateral triangle with side A. Now for Heron's formula, first we have to find S. S will be A plus A upon 2. So that will be 3A upon 2. So by Heron's formula, area of the triangle will be under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it will be under root 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Why A? Because we are taking all the three sides. The measure of all the three sides is A. Now by subtracting, what we will get? 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A, it will be A by 2. So what we are getting? Under root 3A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. So our answer will be A square by 4 root 3. So what will be the area of the triangle? Area of the equilateral triangle, area of this equilateral triangle with side A is root 3 by 4 A square. Now in the same question, the second thing which is asked is, if the perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, if perimeter of this triangle is 180 centimeter, then we have to calculate the area of the triangle. Now perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, so 3A is equal to 180 and A will be 60 centimeter. Clear? Now by Heron's formula, we have calculated area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Now we can directly apply this formula. So area of triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. So it will be root 3 by 4. What is A? 60. So 60 square. So our answer is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now see the second question. Triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. Triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of 1,500 per meter square per year. Means for 1 meter square the cost is, the earning is 1,500 and this is for 1 year. In 1 year, a company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So I think the question is clear. First, let us see what is given in the problem. Triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. This is the triangular flyover. and the side walls. These two are the side walls. These are used for the advertisement. The sides of the walls are 120, 120, 122 and 22 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 1,500 per meter square per year. A company hired, what is given? The company hired one of its wall for 3 months. कितने टाइम के लिए लिया है? 3 months के लिए. How much rent did it pay? What we have to calculate, is it clear? Means we have to find out the rent paid by the company for the wall for 3 months. Now, first of all, the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 1,500 per meter square. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कितना मिल रहा है? 1,500. तो हमको ये निकालना पड़ेगा कि what is the area of this flyover. Then we will get कि what will be the area. तो इस एरिया का कितना मिलेगा, है ना? If the rent for 1 meter square is rupees 1,500 in 1 year, what will be the rent of this much area in 1 year? So first of all, we have to calculate the area of the triangle. And as all the 3 sides are given, we will find the area using the Heron's formula. So the sides in the triangle, sides are A is equal to 122 meter, B is this much, C is this much. So by Heron's formula, to apply the Heron's formula, first we have to find S. Our S is 132 meter. Then we will find the area of the region for advertisement. This is the region which is used, only one wall is used. This is the region which is used for the advertisement. So the area of the region for the advertisement will be S minus A under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. By putting the value, what we will get? 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 120, 132 minus 22. So 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. Now this can be written 11 into 12. This is 10. This can be written 11 into 10. And this is 12. So 11 into 12, 10, 11 into 10, 12. So what will be our answer? 12 into 11 into 10. So that will be 1320 meter square. So the calculation is clear. How we are getting this? Now we have obtained the area of the advertisement advertisement area. Okay. Now what is given? The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 1,500 per meter square per year. It means cost of 1 meter square for 1 year is rupees 5,000. So the cost of, what is the total cost of this, total area of this 1 meter का कितना हुआ? 5,000. So इतने area का, what is the area? Area is 1320. So the cost of 1320 meter square for 1 year will be 5,000 into 1320. Now what is asked? हमसे पूछा क्या? How much rent is there? So it is not necessary कि every time you will calculate, you will do the calculation. So ऐसे ही रहने दो. Then we have to obtain cost of 1320 meter square for 3 months. ये 1 year का था, हमको 3 months का निकालना है. 3 months मतलब 1/4 of the year. In 12 months makes 1 year. So 1 month will be 1/12 year. So 3 months will be 3 into 1/12 year. So in terms of year, 3 months is written as 1/4 year. Okay, so this is clear. Now the cost of 1320 meter square for 3 months or 1/4 year will be 5,000 into 1320 into 1 by 4. So thus our answer is 16,50,000. So what is the rent paid by the company, or what is the rent paid by the company? It will be in 3 months, it will be 16,50,000 rupees.